baby girl, I miss feeling on you. I miss everything that's real about you, and it's everything about you, that's just how I feel about you. Been about you and I'm still about you.